Hi there. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do any cool intro or dramatic music to waste both of our time. So basically, I've been doing faceless YouTube automation for a little over a year now, and after so many failures, I've finally learned 4 lessons that'll actually save your channel, especially if you just started or you're planning to. Oh, and if you clicked this video by mistake, don't you dare click off. It hurts my retention, so stay, brother. I know you ain't got shit to do anyway. Lesson 1. Hire a video editor if your wallet allows it. Listen, if you're doing everything yourself, writing, editing, thumbnails, uploading, you're basically signing up for pain. When you are new, that combo burns you out fast. Hiring an editor doesn't just save time, it lets you focus on what actually matters, ideas and consistency. And if you can't afford one right now, no worries. But the second you can, do it. Because trust me, doing everything alone feels cool until you realize you've spent 6 hours syncing background music for a video that gets 200 views. Lesson 2. Have a personality. And no, I don't mean showing your face, I mean your voice. Most of us faceless creators, including me, sounded like a robot reading Wikipedia when we started. But if you actually look at successful faceless creators, their videos don't feel faceless at all. There's humor, small pauses, reactions, and just human energy. You can feel a person behind the voice, and that comes from good script writing. Like, sure, use AI voiceovers if you want. Just make it sound like someone talking, not giving a lecture. Add jokes, tiny comments, sarcasm, whatever feels you. Because viewers connect with personality, not with something that screams AI generated. Lesson 3. Simple editing wins. Listen, I wasted so much time trying to do fancy editing. Transitions, effects, zooms, color grading, masking. Bro, I was editing like I was applying for a job at Marvel Studios, and the video still got 1,000 views. Meanwhile, my simplest video, barely any editing, just quick cuts and clear pacing, got 75,000 views. That's when it clicked. People don't care about fancy editing. They care about the information. And honestly, we humans don't need much to stay engaged. Even simple visuals that match what you're saying are enough to keep viewers watching. And why simple editing? Because if your editing is too heavy, it takes forever. You burn out faster, you upload less, and consistency is what actually grows the channel. So keep it clean, keep it quick, keep it watchable. Lesson 4. Background music matters more than you think. Trust me on this one. Background music can make or break the vibe of your entire video. A lot of people completely overlook this, but I genuinely think it's one of the most important parts of faceless content. When I finally started using music that matched the emotion of what I was saying, my retention got more stable because music sets the feeling. When the background music matches the tone, the video feels alive. When it doesn't, the video just feels flat, even if the script is amazing. If you want a good example, look at creators like Isaac. His background music is always on point. It's motivational, clean, and actually enjoyable to listen to. Study how he uses music, not just which tracks, but when they come in and how loud they are. So I would recommend you use that channel for study material. And yeah, that's the 4 lessons it took me a whole year to learn. Hopefully you learned them faster than I did. If you've got questions, ask in the comments. I reply to everyone because I don't have a life yet. I'm still building it. Thanks for watching. Now go make your next video. Don't be lazy like me.